Hi everyone, I want to welcome you especially to this week's weekly analysis. So, in this weekly analysis, I'm going to be showing you clearly what my market perception is, what my directional bias is for the new week. I'm going to be showing you how I will be expecting to take my entries for the new week, and I would like to guide you with some of the few guides that would help you to be profitable this week instead of blowing up accounts and losing money. I'd like you to follow me straight to the chart so I can put you through my market ideology and my market perception. Let's go straight to the chart. This will be my major pair that I trade. I haven't traded GU for many years, and the dollar index is usually the particular currency that tells me exactly how to trade GU, because the dollar index is directly proportional to GU. So I just want to be sure where dollar is headed, then I know what to do with GU. So for me, from what I'm seeing on the chart, the dollar has failed to take out this low. In so doing, it's actually still ranging, and on this range you would agree with me that dollar is bullish. Okay, so it's no longer bearish, it's bullish. I first of all was perceiving it going bearish. Okay, so it's bullish. If it's going to be bearish, then it should take out this low for it to fulfill the criteria of being bearish. Okay, this is what is valid here, and that makes it bullish, or ranging. Okay, so in that case, if I'm going to be entering any entries on GU, I'll be looking for what? I'll be looking for bearish entries. Okay, so if you look at GU closely, you see it took out this, okay, giving a bullish confirmation, right? So in that case, I'm consigned. I'm a little bit consigned. That means if GU is giving bullish, DXY is giving bullish, that means I need to wait for some time. So I'm going to be waiting to see if GU maintains bullish. If it maintains bullish, that means the dollar index will retrace back bullish, then I can trade. But until then, I will not be able to trade because the GU cannot be buying when the dollar index is buying. When you see such a thing, it means that there is a manipulation, and you must be very careful to be able to ascertain that. So you're going to be watching out for the updates I'm going to be giving on the free channel, the VIP channel, on the decision I'm going to be making on that. Quickly, let's go to Tesla. We had a sharp entry on Tesla which went well as planned, and Tesla is still bullish. So because of that, I'm going to just wait until I find my bullish confirmation on Tesla. Anything bullish on this zone, I'm going to trade. Then I'm going to give you the entries. For people USDT, I'm only interested with when it's buying. Like as you can see right now, it is buying. Okay, it is buying. It's on the bullish side, so I'm going to be finding bullish entries. So for those of you who are willing to trade people USDT, it looks like we can get an entry here quickly. So let's do this. So this is what I'm saying. So let me see if okay, so this is what I'm saying for people USDT. Okay, so that's it for people USDT. So because of the volume of BTC, okay, for this one, because of this order block, I will not take this entry. Okay, the move will not be much, so I'm out on people USDT. So all eyes on people USDT. I'm going to be looking out for another bullish entry, but I'm going bullish on people USDT, but that particular one will not give me what I want, so no. Silver is bullish, as you can see, so I'm interested in getting bullish entries on silver. Once I find any bullish entry on silver, I'm going to give you all an update to let you know what we should do. And the next one is AJ. AJ is bullish. Okay, it used to be bearish, it's now bullish. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for bullish entries on AJ. And I think finally GJ, and GJ is also bullish, so I'm looking out for bullish entries on GJ. So anything within this zone, as long as it's bullish, be going bullish on GJ. So for the synthetics, we have volatility 25. Volatility 25 is looking bearish. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Any bearish entries will be valid. I'll give you updates on that. And jump 25 is actually bullish. Jump 25 is bullish. Okay. I hope with a few things you've seen from the weekly analysis that you're clearly sure how you will or should be trading this week. Make sure you are not taking entries that you are maybe probably taking as a guess. Make sure the entries you are taking is when you find your setups playing out in the chart as you have back tested and as you have always expected it to play out. Except you find your setup playing out, make sure you are not taking that entry. I've told you already during the weekly review that we have a beautiful proprietary firm that we're partnering with, for traders. So what do? Create an account with 4 traders. Go to the description side of this video or the comment section and you can use the code and the link to get an account. For a new user like you, you're going to be receiving a 30% discount for your new account. And for this week, we are launching the crypto trading prop accounts. Okay, so it's a time for all crypto traders to take advantage of this. So no more looking for capital. Capital has come. Remember, 4 traders have instant funding. They have 1-step challenge, 2-step, 3-step, depend on the one that you want to get. So you check it out and see the various accounts that are available. The maximum account is $100,000 that can help you to scale up in your trading career. Get on board, get started. Remember, I will be live on Monday 1 p.m. GMT +1. Make sure you set your alarm, you clear your schedule so we can trade live together on Monday. See you soon. Have a great week.